In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to automate email follow-ups after form submissions. This is perfect if you're looking to save time and improve customer engagement. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up email automations that will work for you, whether you're running a small business or just managing a personal project. The key to automating follow-ups after form submissions is using the right software. I've tried out some of the most popular tools out there, but after testing them all, I'm going to walk you through the best solution that I've found. And don't worry, you'll get exclusive access to a free trial of this software if you want to follow along, so check out the link in the description. Now, let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to connect your form to your email marketing tool. Most email platforms will let you do this through simple integrations with form building tools like Typeform, Google Forms, or even custom forms on your website. Look for an option to integrate or connect the form submission data with your email software. This ensures that when someone fills out your form, their email address gets added to your list automatically. Next, once your form is connected, create an email sequence. This is the core of your follow-up automation. You'll want to craft the emails based on your goals. For example, if it's a lead generation form, your first email could thank them for their interest and offer more resources. Make sure to personalize it to build a connection right away. Here's where automation comes in. In your email software, you'll be able to set up triggers based on specific actions, like form submissions. Set up a trigger so that when the form is submitted, the first email in your sequence automatically gets sent out. The software we're using today lets you set time delays as well, so you can space out follow-up emails if needed. Maybe a follow-up email 24 hours later, and then another 3 days after that. This ensures you're staying in touch with potential customers without having to do all the manual work. Another great feature you'll want to take advantage of is segmentation. If your form asks multiple questions, like what type of service someone is interested in, you can create different email sequences based on their answers. This is a huge time saver and ensures your follow-ups are relevant and personalized. Once your emails are set up and your triggers are working, make sure to test the system. Submit your form yourself and check if the follow-up emails are being sent correctly. If everything looks good, you're ready to go. Key takeaway: automating email follow-ups after form submissions can save you a ton of time and ensure you're nurturing your leads consistently. The process is straightforward. Connect your form to your email software, set up an automated sequence, and test it out. Make sure to use segmentation if needed to personalize your follow-ups even more. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we used today. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.